In today's video, I'm going to teach you the key differences between Joplin and Obsidian. Hey everyone! Today I'll show you the key differences between Joplin and Obsidian. Let's start with Joplin. One of its biggest strengths is built-in sync. Right out of the box, you can connect to popular services like Dropbox and OneDrive, or use WebDAV if you prefer a more self-managed setup. This means your notes can move seamlessly across devices without extra work. If you value a quick, reliable sync that doesn't require add-ons, Joplin makes that simple. Joplin also includes end-to-end encryption for your notes. In plain terms, your data is encrypted on your device and decrypted only when you access it, so even the service you sync through can't read your content. It's a great option if privacy is a top priority. Just remember that encryption relies on a passphrase you control, so keep it safe and consistent across devices. The interface is straightforward, notebooks containing notes. It feels familiar, almost like a digital binder, which makes it easy for beginners to organize content without overthinking structure. You can jump in, create notebooks for projects or topics, and stay organized from day one. Compatibility is another strong point. Joplin works smoothly on Windows, Mac, Linux, Android, and iOS, so you can start a note on your computer and finish it on your phone. And because Joplin is fully open source and free for core features, you benefit from transparency and a community that actively improves the app. Now, Obsidian takes a different approach, focusing on linking ideas. You can connect notes using double brackets, so typing a title like this automatically creates a link. Over time, these links add up, helping you discover relationships between notes you might not have noticed. It's especially helpful when your notes grow into a knowledge base. To visualize those connections, Obsidian includes a graph view. You can see notes as nodes with lines showing how they relate. This bird's eye view helps you spot clusters, gaps, and themes, which is powerful for research and long-term projects. Customization is another hallmark of Obsidian. There are hundreds of plugins that extend features, from task management to publishing. You can start simple and add only what you need as your workflow evolves. Finally, Obsidian stores everything as local markdown files. You keep full control of your data. It's easy to back up, and it plays nicely with version control. This makes Obsidian ideal for complex workflows and long-term knowledge systems. And that's it. Joplin is great for simple, secure syncing, while Obsidian is perfect for powerful linked notes. Don't forget to subscribe for more quick comparisons.